Welcome to a project that we built in 2000 on 2773 Coyote Place. I'd like to introduce you to this house and identify some of the features that make this a truly unique property in Whistler. So one of the things that makes this house really unique are the materials that were used in its construction. As you can see, we have a timber frame style house, but one of the things that isn't obvious is where the timbers came from. This entire house, the timbers, the decking, and all the finishing materials was all reclaimed from timber buildings in the city of Vancouver. In around the early 1990s, a lot of those old warehouse buildings started to come down, and some enterprising guys started to collect the timber and resell it. And this is one of 3 homes that we built in that period that was exclusively built from these reclaimed old Douglas fir timbers that were probably harvested sometime around the middle of the 19th century. This home is located in the subdivision of Bayshores, which is in the south end of Whistler. Some of the things that really make this as an attractive residence: one, it's on a cul-de-sac at the end of a very, very quiet street, so very little traffic. We are about 150 meters away from Key Ski Out from the Whistler Creekside, which makes for incredible convenience for families. So when we designed the house, and this was a collaborative design project between myself and Sean Anderson of Progressive Concepts Design, we really wanted to ensure the ultimate privacy for the residents within the home. And so in orienting it, we were able to achieve a number of things. One, this is a house that gets all-day daylight from the early morning sunrise to the late evening sunsets. And as you look through the principal windows in the kitchen, living room, dining room area, you'll notice that through no window do you actually look in on any of your neighbors. And so it's delivering great daylighting, great views, and ultimate privacy. Why would we design a house with the living space on the top floor as opposed to a more traditional layout where you would have living space in the middle and bedrooms on top? And we've done this on quite a few of our designs, and for a number of really good reasons. One, when we're building a timber frame house such as this, I really feel strongly that the occupants should be able to experience the lifestyle of living in the timber house. We get much better view corridors from being up 10 feet, 11 feet higher than you would be on the floor below. And then one of the really great things about having your living space on the top floor, of course, as our summers get hotter, we get the bedrooms in the middle of the house, which keeps them significantly cooler on those really hot summer evenings. One of the really unique features of this house is the handcrafted pine kitchen cabinets. Typically today, cabinets are made out of sheet goods like plywood, and then you would have possibly solid wood doors. This kitchen is solid pine. All the boxes are solid pine. It's built like a piece of furniture. And one of the interesting details of the kitchen is the fact that while the kitchen itself is made out of pine, the openings around all the doors and drawers is an American cherry bead, which helps protect those vulnerable areas from everyday wear and tear, and creates a very unique look to the overall appearance of the kitchen itself. A little background on RDC. We got our start really building big timber style, typical Whistler style houses. In today's world, our focus has moved a little bit beyond just typical high-end luxury builds to a little bit more on the energy efficiency, sustainability side. We're very proud to have won, I think, 8 provincial awards and 1 national home building award for the projects that we've done, and very, very proud of all the houses that we've built throughout Whistler over the years.